Hi there. In this video, I am going to help you to create a music or songs or a music background to your video free of copyrights. If you are using YouTube or TikTok or Facebook, Instagram, and you are a video creator, you can use Beatbot to create free copyright music. Follow me on this video. So first go to Google or Microsoft Bing and type this word Beatbot. Then go on the first link they give you. Now all you have to do is to describe the music you want to have. For example, I am going to calm, motivational, dreamy. Then click on generate. If you don't want to type any description of the music, just go and click on surprise me. Now I am going to click on generate. The website now is processing your request. Now they give me this result. I am going to play the video at the last of this tutorial. Then go on these three buttons and it gives you the option to download the video, the audio, or only the instrumental. So the instrumental is the song without lyrics. Thank you for watching this video.